Delicious food for winters. Gattu and Chinky were very excited as they were going to their grandmother's house to spend their vacations. Come on, Gattu Chinky, get in the car quickly, or else we will be late. Your train will arrive very soon. Tell mummy to lock the house quickly.
Okay, Papa.
Everyone left to go to grandma's house. So, Gattu Chinky, are you guys excited?
Yes, Papa. We are very excited. We are going to our grandma's home. After so long, we will have lot of fun. Papa, it would have been better if you could come too.
I know, dear, but I don't have holidays, so there's nothing that I can do about it. But you should have a lot of fun with mummy and your grandma, okay?
Okay, Papa.
Papa dropped them at the station and left. Gattu and Chinky were traveling by the train after a long time. Hence, they were very excited about it.
Kids, sit comfortably. We will reach your grandma's home very soon. Mummy, when grandma called, she told us that it's very cold over there. You have packed our warm clothes, right? Of course, Gattu. I have packed everything.
In the evening, Gattu, Chinky and mummy reached their destination, and their uncle was there to pick them up.
Hello, Uncle.
Hello, dear. How are you guys? And how are you, my dear sister?
We all are fine, brother. How are you? How are you? And how's Mummy?
I am fine too. And mummy is eagerly waiting for all of you. Hurry up. Let's go home quickly. Gattu and Chinky went to their grandma's home along with uncle.
Oh, my lovely kids are here. Grandma!
Gattu and Chinky rushed towards their grandma and hugged her.
Oh, I am meeting both of you after so long. You have grown tall. Grandma, we are very hungry. What have you prepared for us? Chinky, I have prepared so many dishes for you. But first of all, I will give you gajar ka halwa. Gajar ka halwa? Yay! Yes, dear. Come on, I will serve it to you. Mummy, I'm feeling quite cold now. Can you please give me my sweater? Yes, Mummy, me too. Okay, kids, the climate is very cold here. Here, take this. Steaming hot gajar ka halwa for everyone.
The sweet aroma of gajar halwa spread throughout the room.
Wow, my mouth is watering just looking at it. Please give Grandma. Take this, Gattu. Take this.
Then they enjoyed delicious gajar ka halwa.
Wow, this is so tasty, Grandma. I will eat 2 bowls of it, Grandma. All right, dear. You can eat as much as you want. You have come to our grandma's home after so long time. I will prepare many tasty dishes for you. Oh wow, what other dishes are you going to make? Kids, in winter season, different types of tasty dishes are made here. Like radish paratha and tomato chutney, sarson ka saag and bajre ki roti and dal kachori also. Please stop, Grandma. Don't continue. Otherwise, you have to make all of these dishes now only. Don't worry, Gattu. Grandma and I will prepare all these dishes for you. You just enjoy your vacations to the fullest, along with winter special dishes.
Gattu and Chinky became very happy when mummy said this. Then they had dinner and went to sleep.
I am going to sleep with Grandma today. Yes, me too. Grandma, will you please tell us some stories? Of course, dear. Why not? Let's go.
Gattu and Chinky fall asleep while listening to the stories. In the morning, when Gattu woke up, he smelled something delicious.
Chinky, wake up. Something smells very delicious. I think we are going to have some tasty breakfast. Let me sleep, Gattu. Alright then, you continue to sleep. I am going to have a tasty breakfast.
Chinky also woke up when she heard this, and they both ran towards the kitchen. Mummy and Nani were preparing breakfast.
Wow, it smells amazing. What is it, Grandma? Mooli ke parathe and tomato chutney. Really? Wow, this looks very tasty. So hurry up, brush your teeth, and then you can enjoy the breakfast.
Upon hearing this, they rushed to brush their teeth.
Come on, kids. I have served your breakfast on the table. Mmm. Wow, Grandma. Parathas are very tasty. Surely, this is awesome. And the tomato chutney and paratha combination is very good. Eat as much as you want. Eat to your heart's content, along with your stomach.
Gattu and Chinky's uncle also came there. Oh, you have had your breakfast?
Not just breakfast, but very tasty breakfast, uncle. You should also have some breakfast.
No thanks. You guys continue. I already ate. And see, I have brought something special for you. Gattu Chinky jumped in excitement and started checking uncle's bag.
Oh, what is this? Uncle, please tell us.
It is called Malai Makhan.
Malai Makhan? What is that? Gattu Chinky, this is a very famous dish of the city and it is eaten in winters only.
Yes, take this. You should try it.
Wow, this is really very tasty. It melts on our tongue so fast and it is so sweet.
See? You liked it, right?
Yes, uncle, I like this very much.
After having tasty breakfast, Gattu and Chinky started chatting with their uncle and played a lot of games with him too.
Come on, kids, it's the time for lunch. Wow, I'm very excited to see what special dish we are going to have for lunch. Yes, Gattu, me too. Kids, I have prepared bajre ki roti and sarson ka saag for you.
Gattu and Chinky took a bite and they loved this dish very much.
This is delicious, Grandma.
Do you know, kids? This food is not only tasty, but it is very good for your health too.
Really? Why is that, Uncle?
Kids, sarson ka saag has vitamin C, which protects us from colds, coughs, and viral infections. And it also strengthens our immunity. And bajre ki roti contains protein in large quantity.
Wow, there are so many benefits of this food. And it is very tasty too. Yes, Gattu. Wow, we are having so much fun on this vacation. You are right. Our vacations are very happy and fun as we have been eating so many winter special dishes.
And in this way, Gattu and Chinky spent their remaining vacations.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.